Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel and I hope you guys have a nice day. So today's video I want to show you my everyday makeup that is pretty simple, easy and pretty fast to create, as I believe that we are always in a rush in the morning, so everything has to be quick, right? Anyway, this video is also a collaboration video with Eleanor Makeup, which is a Japanese brand that is now available in all Sasa stores nationwide Malaysia. And look at the packaging, Omo, it's so pretty. Oh my god, this is so gorgeous. And the concept of this makeup is the combination of makeup and art aesthetic that makes everything look so classic. Okay, if you want to know my everyday makeup, then without further ado, let's jump right into the tutorial. Let's go! First thing first, sunscreen. I will make sure myself apply sunscreen every day even when I'm staying at home because UV rays really kill me, man. So protection is a must. Before moving on to the foundation, I like to conceal my dark circle first with a salmon undertone concealer just to neutralize my under eye. Then for the foundation, I like to mix this Shiseido emulsion together with this amazing Thailand brand foundation. This is called Mistine with the ratio of 1:1. The reason why I make this both is because I want to create a very nice natural look with a beautiful glowy face, but since I have a combination skin, so normally radiant type of foundation doesn't really tend to last longer, and that's the reason I came up with this combination that fulfill my requirement. I don't immediately set my face with powder just to let the foundation completely dry, so I will drawing my brow first. Brush the brow hair to shoo away any foundation and then just draw like what I'm usually draw. This is the brow pencil from Eleanor and it's actually pretty pigmented and very easy to draw. Not bad. Done drawing my brow and then it's time to set my face. Look at the packaging, oh, it's so pretty. I don't like to use sponge, so to set it, I'm going to using a brush to set my under eye area and also the T-zone only. Moving on to the eyes, this is my everyday favorite palette, Sweet Peach eyeshadow palette from Too Faced. I am using a combination of beige with a duochrome kind of sheen pink color together and applied it to the lid until the crease area. Then I'm taking a burnt brown color and only apply to my lid area. Lastly, taking a shimmer vanilla color and apply at the argosal, which is the front of the lower lash line. To make it become alive and eye looks bigger, eyeliner is the key. Just draw a thin liner and then slightly elongate the tail straightly. I don't really like to draw cat eye as everyday makeup. I don't know why, just not my preference, I could say. Anyway, this Eleanor liquid eyeliner is good. I like the thin brushes, makes everything can do detailing. After that, curl the lashes and apply a thin coat of mascara to complete the eye look. Also, apply to the lower lash line. Back to the base canvas. You can skip this if you have a small face, but I can leave without a contouring. Oh my god, my big face needs some shadow to cover the fat. As for everyday makeup, I will only apply at the outer corner of the face so it will look too extreme, and also not forgetting to contour the nose as well. Use the blush to give some life back to the face, so I'm just using a natural pinky color and just apply on the apple of the cheeks. It's time for the glow. I am using my favorite Ofra Rodeo Drive Highlighter and lightly apply on the cheekbone, brow bone, and a little bit on the upper brow as well. Now it's time for the lips. Look at the packaging. It's also from Eleanor as well. This is Eleanor Creamy Lipstick, but feel free to use your favorite color and mine is red. I'm just lightly dab on the lips just to give like a kind of like a stain effect look, I could say, so it won't catch the attention. Then finish up with a coat of lip gloss, and this color is number 7 Strawberry Sherbet, also by Eleanor. And yeah, this makeup is complete. Even though this makeup is fast, easy and quick, but it actually still looks very presentable, so this is my everyday makeup look. Okay, here comes the end of this makeup tutorial. Like usual, if you like this video, if you like this makeup as well, please do give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and also feel free to leave me a comment if you have anything to let me know. Also, follow me on my Instagram. My username is theChency. Come say hi to me, yeah? Okay, that's it for today's video, and I will see you soon on the next video. Love you! Bye!